An eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind. This is a famous quotation by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapu. A warm good morning to all my respected teachers and my dear friends. Today on 2nd October, on account of Gandhiji's birthday, we all are gathered here to pay homage to the father of our nation. He was a great freedom fighter and under his leadership India got independence. He also believed in truth and non-violence. This day is also celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence. This great man was died on 30th January 1948 and we have to remember his work and follow his thoughts. I am concluding my words. Thank you.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम जय सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। सीताराम जय सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। धन्यवाद।
Respected teachers, sisters and all my dear friends. Today I am standing in front of you to say a few words about Gandhi Jayanti. On 2nd October every year, India celebrates a national holiday in remembrance and honor of the birthday of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi as Gandhi Jayanti. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in Porbandar, Gujarat on October 2nd, 1869 in British India to a merchant class family. He devoted his life to relentlessly working towards spreading awareness about the importance of equality, peace and harmony in brotherhood. His principles and values still hold great value and people consider to be the right path to follow, and these ideas were spread by many of his disciples, literature writers and artists. He fought for our independence by following the principles of peace and non-violence. He led many successful campaigns like removing the tax imposed on salt, also calling the British to quit India. He has gone through a long struggle so that the people of India can breathe in an independent nation. Gandhiji spent a major part of his life to get freedom for our country. He was worked with great effort to achieve Swaraj, to remove untouchability customs from society, the eradication of other social evils, empowering women's rights, developing the economic condition of farmers and many more. Gandhiji breathed his last breath on 30th January 1948 when he was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. He rests today at the Rajpath in New Delhi and thousands of respect are paid in the forms of garland. On this day, let us take a pledge ourselves to follow the path of legacy he left behind and let our lives in peace and harmony. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Respected teachers, sisters and all my dear friends. Today, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated as a national occasion on October 2nd every year to mark the occasion of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is one of those few leaders whose persistent efforts left an imprint on India's young generation. His legacy is still remembered till date. Gandhi Jayanti is followed by prayer services and tributes across the nation. The Prime Minister of India and other eminent politicians visit Gandhi's memorial at Rajghat in New Delhi, where he was permitted to pay their respects. Educational institutions, colleges and universities celebrate Gandhi Jayanti through prayer meeting or watching documentaries on his life or any other cultural activities. In many places in India, people decorate the Gandhi statues to pay respect with flowers and garlands. Another observance is to avoid eating meats or consume alcohol in the special occasion. Thank you.
Good morning all. My name is Priya Pradeep and we are here together to celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. The national holidays to celebrate independence and honor principle to the freedom fighters which will led us to this day. The most notable contribution was our father of our nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who was called Bapu, especially by children. He fought over independence by following the path of non-violence and peace. He led many successful campaigns like removing the tax imposed on salt and also calling the British quit India. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated by each and everyone regardless of their religion or caste. On this day, we can take a pledge ourselves to follow the path of our legacy that he left behind and lead our life with peace and harmony. I am concluding my words. Thank you all and have a great day.